In this 3-minute video, I'll explain what oral GLP-1 weight loss pills are, share the most important phase 3 results for Orforglipron, break down how the pill works, review benefits and risks, and cover what to expect on availability and price. Stay with me, this could change everything about weight loss medicine. Imagine swapping your weekly injection for a daily pill that gives similar weight loss. That's what the leading oral GLP-1 candidate promises, and today we dig into the data and the real-world implications. Injectable GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic and Wegovy changed the game, but needles and cost limit uptake. A pill is familiar, easier to ship, and could reduce stigma, which is why everyone's watching oral GLP-1 development. Orforglipron isn't a peptide like injectables, it's a small molecule that can be taken by mouth and still activate the GLP-1 receptor. That chemical difference is what makes an oral GLP-1 possible. Phase 3 data show meaningful weight loss with Orforglipron at 72 weeks, including solid percentages of participants losing 10% or more of body weight, and treatment effects on HbA1c and other risk markers. The trials show that many people achieved clinically meaningful weight loss, more than 10% for a majority in the top dose group, but individual response varies and higher doses produced stronger results. Think of GLP-1 like a satiation amplifier. A pill version has to be chemically stable in the stomach and still hit the same brain and gut targets. Orforglipron was designed to do exactly that. A good pill removes many practical barriers, and if manufacturing scales, it could democratize access to effective obesity treatment around the world. Side effects so far mirror injectables, mostly gut-related, and tend to be worst early in treatment or at dose escalation steps. Overall tolerability looks reasonable, but it's not side effect-free. Even with strong phase 3 data, questions remain about very long-term safety, how to stop treatment without major rebound, and how health systems will cover the drug. Eli Lilly has signaled big investments in manufacturing capacity for oral GLP-1 pills and is aiming to seek regulatory approvals in major markets. Those moves hint at a fast rollout if regulators agree. This drug could expand options for many people, but it's not for everyone. Medical history and pregnancy status require careful consideration from a clinician. If regulators accept the data, we could see approvals and launches within a year or so in some regions, and more competitors entering the field shortly after. A true oral alternative would be one of the biggest shifts in obesity care in decades, but real benefits depend on cost, long-term data, and how health systems incorporate the medicine. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and see next, a deep dive on cost, how to taper safely and the next generation combo pills.